It was a stellar listing today for PNB Housing Finance that listed at an 11% premium to its issue price. So here's more from Usha Ananthasubramanian, the chairperson of PNB Housing Finance, who spoke with our correspondent Ritu Singh.
First of all, in the housing segment, there is one company which has come after quite some time. There's a gap between in the housing segment companies tapping the market, and the company has been exceedingly performing well, and there has been a lot of traction, and I mean it's been a very well accepted public issue.
Ma'am, talking about your growth, which has been very good, 60-70% growth levels, but that's also because the base is slightly smaller. Do you expect that momentum to continue? Could you promise the investors that?
Certainly the momentum will continue. Today, the number of offices that operate across the country is about, say, 45. There's a lot of expansionary need. There's a lot of demand on the products of the company. And especially, you know, the retail segment, the retail housing segment getting, you know, more and more impetus, and people, and the service quality of the company has been very, very, you know, encouraging for the customers to come in, take the home loans, and certainly, you know, the expansionary mode coupled with the, you know, the management strategies is all poised to make great leaps.
Ma'am, talking about your products, loan against property is something that PNB Housing Finance has a largish exposure to, and that is also seen as somewhat of a risky product by a few. Would there be a change in, you know, the product mix strategy perhaps in the near future, or is this how can we expect it to continue?
I mean, it is not a bad product certainly, because it is backed certainly by, you know, the hard assets. One thing, but we have not had any great, you know, dent in that kind of assets. That's one thing. Secondly, yes, no, with the capital, you know, coming into the hands, there can be more products thought of by which we can balance the portfolios of various products that we have.
Hi, meanwhile, the Future Group is